Alright, so we've got another Gorgar board set. So this one came in with quite a bit of alkaline damage. So we went ahead and abated that. Had to replace quite a few components there in that area. And swapped out the filter capacitor, plus all the headers, added a button battery, and then converted the 3 ROMs into one here at IC14. We had a bad TIP, it's at 120. These all had alkaline on the legs. I didn't want to put them back onto the board, so I just went ahead and replaced all the TIP 42Cs as well as the resistors as well. We had a missing one there. Went ahead and replaced the filter capacitor, and then replaced the 2 7406s, which were actually blown out. The 6820 was in a funky socket, so we went ahead and replaced that. Obviously both male and female 40-pin interconnect, as well as adding a blinking indicator. Go ahead and get her powered up. Got displays. Got the lamp matrix dancing. Go ahead and pop her into test mode here. So first test will be displays. And then go into lamps. So we got all the lamps flashing. We'll kick over here to solenoids. So we get the flipper ground that enables. Excuse me. Go through all 16 of the coils. And then the special solenoids. And these are also switch controlled. And those are all functioning correctly. And go into switches. And go through diagonally. And the last switch in Gorgar, switch 44. So there you are, we get everything fully working on it. And we'll go through the adjustments. So adjustment 18, we have set to 00, which is free play there for you. So there you are. Thank you so much for sending it.